This tutorial explains how to download the code editor brackets onto your computer so that you can create your own code. Open your browser of choice, for example, Chrome or Brave, and type brackets.io. From the Brackets website, choose the download option. Save and then double-click the installation file. To proceed, select I agree to the license terms and conditions. It will take around 30 seconds to 2 minutes to install, then choose the Finish option. Example of how to open an HTML file using brackets. Thank you for your time. Best wishes on your coding journey.